Good morning to everybody. Good morning, everybody here. Bum ba da bum ba bum ba bum. What's up? How we doing? Happy Take Profit Tuesday type shit. We got red folder today. Oh my god, wait a minute. We have red folder every single day. Ha. Ha ha. Good morning, Oscar. Good morning, Toasty. Good morning, Conuzes. Good morning, George. Good morning, Stealth. Good morning, Colton. Good morning, Flaqueese. Flaquitty. Good morning, Scotty. Good morning, Kamara. Good morning, Opti. Good morning, Eric. Good morning, David. Good morning, Windy City Boy. Good morning, Underwater. Good morning, Shaz. Good morning, Kate Drizzle. Buenos dias, muchachos. Very good. Very nice. I'm looking at potential longs above 405, 406. Around there. Type shit. Hmm. How are we feeling? Now, I'm expecting PA to actually be nicer today, considering yesterday was kind of mid, kind of ass. Who continued trading yesterday and got cooked? Be honest. Actually, let me see. What did PA do after? It's like, just dump it all the way down. Hori Mori. Not too bad, just kind of mid. Whatever. I got cooked, traded like poo. That's okay. Traded Asia. The PA was nice. Yeah, usually when the PA is ass during New York, Asia's kind of clean. Where's Asia? Right here. Ooh. Oh, Hori Mori. Look at that. Reclaim of 23, retest. Absolute moon. It's kind of ridiculous. I saw 300 points in Asia in like 8 minutes. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Took a nice long on MGC. Beauty. Love to see it. 10 a.m. red folder, careful. I know, right? Gotta be very careful in that. Oi. Very nice. Let's see if we can cook today. Careful meaning don't trade and lose your prop accounts. Wait, there was another Trump candle? Was there? Oh, is this it? I see it. Is this one? It's 7:10. Is 7 a.m. Trump's like time to start tweeting? I might just hop on before then and just go long. Like, what is that for real? For real? Oh, and production's telling me this 8:10 candles Iran news. 69 points? It's kind of hot. That is kind of hot. TNT. Dino, my thing. Where's my thing? Oh. If I'm looking for a long game, it could potentially be off the scandal depending on close. You see Vinny 3.0 and Tradeify 3.0? Yeah, Tradeify 3.0. Did you put up? Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's out. Told you it was out. Make sure to use code PHUB. Yeah, that's Vinny. He looks a little different. He looks just a bit different. That's okay. Okay, that is fine. Don't you worry about a thing. Cause every little thing gonna be alright. Yeah, Ace is super sick. He tried to see if he could come on, but he was like, yo, I can't even speak. So he's probably just gonna go to bed. You know what's funny? He messaged me yesterday. He's like, I'm actually happy I wasn't on stream. PA was shit. I was like, yeah, I know. I got cooked. He looks like got a little toasted from the sides. Hmm. Very interesting. Very nice. You know what's funny too? I went from a 150k to the 50k eval, and I didn't even realize I was sizing for a 150, which is like definitely my bad. But I mean, doesn't really change the plays. Makes the cook more cooked, you know? You've got to be what? Kidding me. TNT Dynamite. You're looking at the PA pre-market, like from 7, this is like break, full rejection, back down, break. We're just kind of ranging sideways. I want to see what open print looks like, see what our orb looks like, and then vibe out. We're like currently rejecting 400. Very nice. Very kind. Who's close to a payout? Is anybody working on their fundeds and got a payout coming soon? What's good, Kels? Adri? Dub. Very, very nice. Yeah, I just been on evals because I'm waiting for Ace to come back so we can fully continue the funded to payout challenge. Basically been on pause, which I guess gives people the chance to get the fundeds from the eval. What's up, Shrek God? I just need minimum payout balance, which is 800. Nice. Very, very sexy. What's the bias today? Are we shorts or longs? Well, we have London lows and equal lows basically at the same time. This is London lows. We almost swept it, but like we actually technically didn't sweep it. So we still got those, and then I'm pretty sure we got Asia, but that's like all the way down here. Yeah, I'm more short on the day. I mean, right here I thought we would lose it, but we fully reclaimed. This is where I thought we'd go for the short. I'm just gonna wait for open because pre-market seems kind of back and forth. I'm looking for a short type shit. We on the same page. Very, very nice, very kind. TNT Dynamite. TNT. It's very kind. His shorts don't look bad at all. You could even enter a low risk short, SL this high after losing the 400. But I'm away. My bias is also a VWAP and 200 EMA, and it's in between both, so like it's 50-50 for me. I understand. I mean, this is the bottom of my base, and this is ADR high right here. So I guess you could argue longs back to this like weekly value area high, maybe the CE 450, also not bad. But I'm gonna just wait for confirmation because sometimes I'm typing and sometimes I'm shitting. Today we might be doing both. EDV 23505. That's what you're looking for. 505. Very interesting. Very, very interesting. TNT. Dynamite. TNT. Trade Syncer is coming out with Tinder for traders. Excuse me? Wait, are you serious? Can I sort by strategy? I don't want to go out with any ICT girls, you know? It's called Trade Match. That's actually so funny. Why would you even want that? You know what I mean? Like, I feel like I wouldn't want my girl to be a trader. I mean, if she is, that's dope. But like, you know, like, why are you looking for that? What's the benefit? You're gonna add to the risk management. Wait, how is that smart? Oh yeah, you can't post links. Hold on, let me look this up. Trade, trade match. What is it? What do I type? Trade match dating? Compare local trade. Trade match trades. Can't find it. Can I post it on Gen Chat? Shit, I don't know. Vinny did the permission. You can try. Oh, didn't work. Plan B, get a trading sugar mama. That's not bad. If you can sort by profitability. Oh, market open candle. Look at that. Giant glizzy. Giant glizzy and then giant suck down. Very nice, very kind. Ooh, let me actually fix my sizing. Make sure I don't accidentally enter too many cons. Oh yeah. There you go. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Huh. I need to go sleep. Short from 420. Yo, 420 is a pretty banger psych level. I can't lie. It is pretty banga. See if this break of 430 if we get a continuation. Hori mori. What a candor. I'm gonna wait for this close. I can't cap. Damn. You ain't gonna make me enter all the way up there though. Like, chill. Chew. Wait, Ace might be there. He might be the papa. What are you talking about? The trade match? There's weekly value area high. Very nice, very kind. JNJ, John of Trades. Should I rename myself to that? Should I hit the nice rename sickles? Alright, I'm gonna tap into a long. See if I can get a little bit of a continuation. What's my entry? Damn, what a doggy poo poo water entry. Holy. DND. There's the pullback I wanted. Nice tap. Where's my entry? Look at that. Snipe the top. Very nice, very kind. Very sexy. Alright. There we go. I want to see like that, man. Potentials. Bro, this PA lately is like actually cooked. Might already get taken out. See, we're reclaiming that 400. BH, to be honest. I'm waiting for Orban confirmation to trend. It's a good play. I like that suck up. I do like that suck up, man. Oi, it's not a bad suck up in that. Do 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 do. I want to see a hold above like 406. Minimum the 400, but Above like 406, even 410 would be cleaner. Oh yeah. Decent sucky. You're gonna get that reversal. Reversal continuation. Trump gonna start tweeting. Very kind, very nice. There we go. If we get near and tap that 70, I'm gonna go for BE because I either want to see like a strong continuation from there or we'll probably get a reversal. 68.70. Well, I'm back to even almost. Well, that's like 25, 30 points almost. Can we hold? Got my CE at 73, yeah. So around that area, 68, 70. It's a good BE point for potentials of the reversal. I'm done. Gym time. W Fawaz. Good shit. How many cons did you enter, Mr. Fawaz? Very interesting, very kind, very nice. Done for day. I'm taking a nap. W Adri. Very nice, very kind. You love to see it. You love to see the people print. It gets the people going. Sleeping at 2 a.m. is not for the. You know what's crazy? I purposely went to bed early yesterday because I was like, you know what? I'm actually gonna get good sleep. And then I just woke up at 3:40 a.m. to the loudest thunder I've ever heard in my entire life. I literally thought a plane was about to crash into my house. It was ridiculous. Did you hear it? Bro, it was insane for me. I literally got up and I looked out the window. I was like, are there aliens outside? I'm very confused. Because that shit was so loud. Yeah, I definitely don't like that candle. What is that? Corey Mori. Another retest. I understand. Looking same spot. Oi. Very nice, very kind. Very sexy. Yeah, I'm just chilling. I'm just gonna let my shit play out. If I get hit, I get hit. Is what it is. It was ace farting. Very interesting. Do 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 do. We did a giveaway yesterday, right? Yeah. We're also doing another giveaway on the Instagram. So if you want to go look at the most recent post, it's there. Nice little green again here. Sometimes you're typing and sometimes you're shitting. NQ, I would like a nice bump. I get out half every time and stop the rest at BE. Yeah, honestly, especially this week, it's been like such a scalpy kind of week. Definitely a C green, take green. New York spring break next week for the kids. Is this spring break? Shit. I don't even know what spring break is, man. Look at that. All the whales on vacation already? Ha! They're all on the yachts, partying it up. Sometimes you're very nice, and sometimes you're very kind. Hmm. 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 Holding pretty nice, but I want to see I want to see some momentum up for continuation. Otherwise, I'm liking this less and less the longer it takes. Do. News at 9. What time zone are you in? Because for me, the news is at 10. It's in 20 minutes. I feel like we gotta retest lower if this thing wants to go. Honestly, it's annoying that I agree. Because I would not mind seeing even just like a little lower. Like low-key a little bit below 400 potentials, but like this is sucking up pretty aggressively. If we don't get a nice strong flip, then yeah, I could see that happening. For sure. Oh, caught a nice 40 points. Dub. How do I get the P-Hub tag? You just click on the tag on for someone in chat and you adopt it. Here we go. Hold on, I want to at least see 470. Give me a nice 40 points. A nice 40 points. Hey, Benji with the tag. Want to hear something so nasty so quick? Huh, what's so nasty? What's so quick? There we go. Nice, decent push. Continuing.
Are you ready?
Oh, I don't have my headphones on, so I can't hear what's nasty and quick. You guys now have to let me know. Oh, did that hit? Oh, that did hit. I have to BE here. Like, I literally just do. Or not BE. I'm gonna, like, 30. If I get hit, I get hit. OMG, Ace, you sound like you're dying. What did he sound like? I don't have my headphones in. What did it sound like? Hmm? What was it? He sounds like a zombie. I might have to lose money to follow consistency rule. Yeah, that's normal. It's completely fine. The easiest way to do it is just lose money based on commissions. Just like get in, get out, get in, get out. But make sure your prop, you have to check if it has a micro scalping rule, which basically means like you have to be in a trade for more than 10 seconds. Very interesting. Yeah, I'm already BE by the way. Because if we don't go now, then I don't like it. TBH. To be honest, that is 40 points right there for the longing. Very, very nice, very kind. You're looking for shorts? I mean, I can fully see us having a rejection for 70 to 75. So I don't mind it, but I would like to see a continuation. You know what I'm saying? Do you know what I mean? 40 seconds until this close. Pretty sure they have a HFT bank. What is an HFT? Trigger. Oh, high blah blah blah, high frequency trading. Yep. Do you know what that means? Ha. Do you know what that means? Do you? Do you know what that means? Don't think you know what I means. Yeah. Yeah, that candle. The candle ugly. Show for show. Taking out beauty. I didn't fucking take no loss there. And that was 40 points. Who caught the 40? Who did it? Bro, look at those candles. Ace, do you see these candles right now? Look at these. Look at this. Look at this. Got taken out WJJ. Beautiful, man. Get rid of that now. Do, 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 do. Ace, it's 50% for the HFT, right? For Apex? Percent of your trades? Holy, look at that suck up again. That is ridiculous. What other news do we have this week? Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Yeah, Red Folder's crazy. Bro, what in the fuck is that? Suck up reversal. I have no clue. Huge range for jolts. Oh yeah. What's our OB looking like? I understand. How many points is that? It's not that big. Not that big of a OB. O business. But if this continues up to like 500, it's gonna be so annoying that price had to be this wiki per wick just to take me out. Yeah, yo, Ace, our market's closed because there's like red folder news on Friday and I don't see anything else. JJ, you picked the winner for Insta giveaway? Where was the damn code? No, I didn't look yet. I usually look because oh wow, look at that continuation. Crazy. I usually because we reveal it after 24 hours, I usually just check. Like literally 24 hours later and then see who won. There's that continuation up. Longs look good. It just had to be that wiki. Kels, I give up. Hey, listen, I don't blame you. I mean, I was in the longs, but like, look at these pullbacks. And I know you were getting in on these. They actually did look good, and then they just full suck up to close 60 points above the low. Like, what? May 25, Memorial Day. Wait, today's May 31st. Or is today March? Is it March or May? It's March. I'm tweaking. So there's nothing, is what you're saying. Jay just said fuck April. Oh, wait. April 3rd. Oh, shit. Yeah, there's that continuation. Right here is where I wanted TP at like 95. Above 75. Guy skipped straight to May. Protest to keep the market open. Well, hey, I can't be mad for being right and just getting wicked out on some ridiculous looking candles. At least I was correct, you know what I mean? Haha. Protest to keep the market open. Bruh. What's next week? Anything crazy? Oh, we have CPI next week too. I've not done it again. Future is probably yeah, on like half day Fridays, I don't even look at the chart. Like for real. Which consistency rule does it count profits made in DD? It's made in DD? Um. Oh. Oh. Um. It's just profits made to the of your profit goal, isn't it? Is so it's like 3K on a 50K. Pretty sure that's how it works. Regardless, you can just tell what you're supposed to do anyway. You made too much, just lose a little bit. Damn, look at that pop. Ridiculous. Ridiculous. Right here. Very interesting, very kind, very nice. Mm-hmm. Very nice, very kind. You love to see it. Where are the... Ha! Very good. Took us out to fly. JJ, can we challenge you? Try SpongeBob on TradingView. What? Like, you want me to draw SpongeBob? On TradingView? I mean, shit, considering I'm not doing shit right now. Fully missed that long. Why not? How do I change colors? Go. Hmm. Oh. Oh. Okay, he has an ear. Very nice, very... Ha! Ha ha ha! Look at that. Very good. How's it looking? Does it look good? Does it look good? Got some holes? Mm-hmm. Nice tongue. There you go. Look at that. Call me pro. Pro drawing guy. Yeah, you can't draw on trading you. It's too shit. But what was this from my entry? My entry was here. Nice 100 points. Huh. Very nice, very kind. Mm. Cool. Yo, Ace, how do you... Never mind. I'm just gonna do it one by one. Fuck it. Alright, well, my CE is at 480. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't have much rip. Looks like Lazaro got taken out too. Oh, he's sick too? Oh, did you get him sick? Damn. You both got sick when you met? Very nice, very interesting. Production. Yo, is Kels still here? Kels. Kels, what do you think about these wicks over here? How do they make you feel? These 3 wicks. 4 wicks. Hmm. Makes me feel like I don't have a clue what's about to happen. Yeah, like if you just ignored these wicks, if these wicks didn't happen, I would I still be in this? No, I would have been out on this candle probably. 520, 523-ish. Or at least a major. Look at that. Very nice. Very sexy. Very kind. You love to see it. You absolutely love to see it. I think we're gonna go to the top of my range. Is that previous day high? I think it is. Is that previous day low? Previous day high. 575. I think that is where we're going to go. I lagged into a long. Yeah, what that? This shit legit left y'all behind. For real, for real. Is it just me or is this PA kind of dangerous? Um, it was. It was like a lot more dangerous before. Now it's kind of just going. But also, Wix could cook you. It's definitely one of those days that people with tight SLs get cooked. I need an A plus short. Well, if we get a full rejection off that 75, could be that. That could be the potentials. It was reacting to Trump breathing in before saying words. I think that's pretty valid. The valid. A part of me wants to actually go so scalpy right now, but I'm holding back. I really just want to stick to testing this system out. I wouldn't be surprised if we literally chopped at 70s. I actually wouldn't be either. But if the rejection is clean, I think bare minimum we'll go back, retest previous day, value area high. Yo, so chat. Who's been engaging with socials? Let me call out some names. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see the previous video, not the giveaway one, the one before that. Let's see. Who do we got? Oh, Eric, the guy who won his lifetime premium membership for being the most goated engager on socials. And then he was such a nice guy, he gave premium lifetime membership to Toasty. Huh. Very interesting. And he's still the only one commenting. Huh. Very nice, very kind. Love to see it. DBH, to be honest. Yeah, a wick out of this and then rejection top of the base, playing it back down. I think that could definitely be the short. That chart. I engage, I just don't think you guys realize it's me because the UN is different. I understand. PA nowadays. For real. Alright, well, it decided to do it a few points short and then go retest here. All good. Yo, Ace, what do you think of PA today? Are you still here? Dude, why is my trading view tripping? Do you see this? Huh. Wow. It's dancing. Why is my trading view dancing? What? Okay, it's good. Trading view said it's time to dance. Ha. 3-minute jolts? Yeah, news in 3 minutes. So chill out. Chill out. For real, for real. What was previous jolts? Oh, it's forecasted to be bearish. I understand. 2 minutes until red folder. Oh, Ace, that is some very good TA. Tenet? I actually fucked with Tenet. I thought Tenet was great. Even though for some reason a lot of people didn't like it. I thought it was great. The dinosaur strat? I don't think you guys are ready for the dinosaur strat. Really, I don't. Just chilling. Okay, yo, chat, real quick, be honest. Who's trading news? Who's being a degen? I gotta know right now. I want to. I understand. Well, huh. If you guys want to get any props, make sure to use the best code in the world, which is code PHUB, which is legitimately a guarantee to get the highest discount possible. Any other discount you see, you put PHUB, it's either the same or better. That's a fact. Also, don't blow your accounts on news. It's not a good idea. But hey, I can't control you. You know what I mean? 30 seconds till news. I guess we decided to freeze. Okay. Just know code phub doesn't work on live accounts. Yeah, they don't give away live accounts. Okay, if I had to guess, using my unlimited knowledge of how today's PA is moving, I'm assuming news is gonna come out. We're gonna have a giant candle up and then a full suck down rejection of previous day high. But who knows? We could just reclaim 25,000. Wow. This is your red folder. This is your red folder candle. This is what we have to be careful on. Huh. Ace, I think that's the best TA I've ever seen. Wait, that's it? That's what I'm saying. What did it come out as though? It came out slightly lower than its forecast, which is lower than the previous. So it did come out bearish. Also, high key, my trading view's behind. Am I tweaking? No, it's not. Well, it is a little bit. Actually, that's just MN. More like the hottest TA, am I right? Ha 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 ha. Very interesting. Huh. Look at this. NQ and MNQ are like not very interesting. CS doing. A little bit of some spoilers right there. Very cool. MNQ is dumping harder than NQ. All right. All right. Very interesting. Very kind. Expose production? How are you gonna expose production? Oh, Ben. Part of me wants to like test out a scalp short here on this close. Like literally SL at the high. The only thing is NQ and MNQ are like different. I'm going for it. Fuck it. SL at the high. Super small loss potential, and I'm literally just gonna play it down to like that 530. MNQ and NQ are different enough where like those last two candles low-key look like a different chart. Can't even lie. Also, how did I get filled 8 points below the close? What? Last week at the gym, he said, "Don't tell John, I'm sick as fuck." Then magically, I'm super sick. Production. We're green here. 10 points. Wow, very nice. What is this? This PA is so shit. Red folder news comes out and we do nothing. Same, set a limit and got filled market. I don't know. Like, what is going on? How you gonna finesse me of 8 points? That's totally not fair. It's not fair at all. And we're just hello? I understand. Well, we are green. That's some nice green there. I'm gonna start trailing hard. Trailing half, like super, super tight. Got filled for half. Rest at BE. Not bad. Not bad, not bad at all. Yeah, I'd hold BE. Fuck it. If I get tapped, I get tapped. If not, this could be the top. You know, I'm still standing. I forgot to put this over here. My entry is here after my skill and bow, bow, bow. Still standing. Am I gonna get tapped, BE? There's potential for it. You know me. I've only gotten sick one time this winter. Hey, well, don't, you know what I mean? I hope you don't get sick for the rest of the year. Hey, I'm gonna talk to production, and when I turn around, I'm not gonna be tapped. Look at that. Magical. Magical. Who took that scalp short, by the way? It was low-key a quick print, but I'm slightly green for the day. Ooh, am I gonna get tapped? My BE is 59.50. I'm gonna put it 59.25. Pay for a little bit of that commission. Ah. You can tap me? Tapped. But I am slightly green on the day. Yay. But if this is how PA is gonna move the rest of the day, I just call it. Shit is hella mid. The Goku Bulma tap. Real ones know. Isn't it crazy that he had a kid and didn't even know how? Pretty funny. Funny. Wrong way NQ. Kels, are you in a long? That I did like the shorts down to this like 530, 525-ish. Trader Joe's, you scalped that short, no? Oh, there we go. And there's PT. For those that held it the whole ways. Boom, PT for me. W. W not available. W Trader Joe's. Let's get some testimonials in the chat. Very, very nice. Very nice, very kind. Got filled 65. Final TP just got hit at 22. Nice. Trader Joe trade wins. $100 times 20 accounts. 2K on that. WCT. I love seeing CT take full advantage of copy trading. So nice. Like, you know how easy it is to keep your mental in check when like yeah, it's across 20 accounts, but just seeing on the screen like minus $36, it doesn't cook you. Did you guys hear dude? I was literally telling Rams I went to sleep early because I was like, let me actually get a good amount of sleep, and I woke up at 3:40 a.m. to the thunder. It was like the loudest thunder I've ever heard of in my life. I thought a plane was about to hit my house. It was ridiculous. And the lightning was loud. It was like, go, 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 go. Explosion. My goal is 50 to 100 on the day, makes it less pressure. That's fire. I mean, hey, 50 on 20 accounts as a band. Do that every day, chilling. But very nice shorts. Look at that. Snipe the top. Real. Bro, I'm done for the day. I fully understand. PA is shit. For real. The cats were freaking out. Oh shit. You know what's funny? My bird was not freaking out. For those of you that don't know, I do have a bird, and his name is Kiwi. And he's pretty chill. Yeah, because his species has flown in that. That actually might be valid. Let's see if I can find a pic. Find a pic of Kiwi. That's JJ's bird. Dude, I wish if I had an actual Kiwi, that'd be so gangster. Don't you know I'm still standing? We printed off the short. Look, that's Kiwi. Huh. Look at him. He is so very cute. Cleaning his feathers and shit. Very nice. Very nice, very kind. Well, in hindsight, knowing it was Wiki, just from like previous PA. Potentially I couldn't have gotten BE'd, but I also did scale. So it's okay. What's he like when people are over? You know what's hilarious? So when like adults are over, like if like an older person comes into my room, um, he likes to attack. He just gets all fucking, but if like anytime there's kids, like any like of my little cousins or shit, he knows. It's so weird. He's like so gentle and nice. If you're like below 3 feet tall, he loves you. If you're above 3 feet tall, he'll bite your finger. Been to JJ's good amount of times and I've never met Kiwi. I'll introduce you next time. Kiwi's fake? Fake news? Fake news! We're going to retest 500. What are we going to do? Potential for a long back up to this previous for 20 points. Is there going to be a scalpy? Is there a potential? Who knows? Maybe we have to tap this right here. Fuck it, I'm entering a scalp. I still at the low. I'm green. When we hit 15, I'm going to start dragging. This might be the bottom. I guess it's a scalpy kind of day. Still standing. Potential for back to 20. And if I get tapped, it's only for minus $70. Ha! JJ, make sure you take your meds. I don't take meds. You know what I mean? Ooh, is it going to tap me? Oh, oh, oh. Oh, the 95 SL held. Oh, suck up in reverse. Oh, ridiculous. Ha! Yeah, I'm not on meds. I don't even know if I should be either. You know what I mean? Come on, push that wick. Little more. Little more, and I'll start dragging. Little more, little more. There we go. Very nice. Drag that SL to 1750. That is a nice green. And if I get tapped, I get tapped. Beautiful scalpy by JJ. Wow, very nice. Very kind. Extend that wick and I move to 20. There we go. Very nice. Just gonna start trailing by 5. 25. 30. And you're gonna tap me? Or continue? Huh. Oh. Oh. Wow. Printed. Very nice. Very, very nice. Ha! Very nice long scalp. Beautiful. Yo, doesn't this look like JJ? Who, the guy on the right? Yeah, I look a lot like him, actually. I used to have dreads. That was a very nice scalp. The play was basically... Dude, if I had aces set up where you guys could actually see, it'd be so much easier. But the play was... Actually, let me look at my fills. What was my fill? 504. So the play was this, and then I had 95, this, and then I got taken at 30. This. Nice almost 3R scalp. Huh, not bad. We've done it again. We have done it again. You're not in Colombia anymore? No more dreads? I didn't even get dreads in Colombia. W trade, JJ, thank you. You took that shit, Salvi? Love to see it. Love to see when the people listens. Very nice. Let me look at testes. I know you guys don't like putting testes, but let me see. Ooh, Eric with PDPT. Very sexy. Windy City. Thanks, JJ. Up $500. Very sexy. You should have gotten dreads. Yo, they didn't attack me. The only reason Ace got dreads is because he got attacked by a Colombian and forcefully got given dreads. And they didn't attack me. And I can't tell if that's like, if I should be disrespected or what. They did attack me with massages though, multiple times. So, But hey, everybody who only took my shit, you should have printed because I didn't take a single loss. Very nice. Love it. Love to give you guys a green day. Especially after yesterday. Yesterday's PA was so dog shit. Like Ace knows how to trade ass PA. He knows how to play around it. So when he messages me and says, "Yo, that PA sucks. I'm happy I'm not even in office." I'm like, "Wow, very nice. I'm getting cooked." If I come home with braids, my mom's gonna whop my ass. Speaking of whop, if you guys are interested in premium, code Indie for, is it 15% off? 15% off. Ha ha ha. Very nice. Man, after that play, I think I might call it. I don't know. We'll see. Let's see the next two candles. I'll base calling it off the next two candles. Ugh. Coolidge. And don't you know, I'm still standing. You missed the JJ. Speaking of WAP, if you want the team candle, use the code team indicator. Oh yeah, Ace's indicator is in the premium. The WAP has it. I mean, the premium has it. So if you want the indicator that Ace uses every single day, which just ask the premium people if it's actually banger. I think it's pretty fucking banger. I can't lie. It's very nice, very kind. Hopefully Ace feels better tomorrow so that we can actually continue the funded to payout challenge. If not, then we'll just continue the day after. Also, Friday, we're probably not going to stream. Like 85% chance. And if we do, it's probably going to be like a more for fun stream. I don't know. Maybe we'll fucking run some Jackbox or some shit. Or just do some giveaways. Indicator rocks. I've gotten some great trades out of it. Nice. Friday is closed. Yeah, but usually on days where it's closed, futures is still open for like half day. But I'm not sure. I'd have to double check. Check is a half day. Fully closed? Well, shit, if it's fully closed, then we'll probably not stream. Wait, JJ, stream Friday and put the new Invincible episode on stream? Bro, I'm not even caught up on Invincible, so I can't do that. Who knows? Maybe we'll run a poll, and if enough people care for us to hop on to just chill, maybe play some games, then we'll do it. If not, then we'll just wait for the next week and we'll make a lot of money. Ha! Very nice. Kind of liking potentially scalp longs based on this close. Oh, or I guess it wants to go without me. Very nice, very kind. Not 30. Oh. Don't you know I'm still standing. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. I'm trying to quick scalp. Very, very quick. SL is gonna be tight, like 18. I just want to see a nice pop above this wick. And then I'm gonna start dragging. After 40, there you go. Nice scalp. Very nice. That's 20 points. Come on. Don't have too much of a pullback. Break 50. Oh, I'm the scalp master today. Very nice. SL's already at 50. We tapped 60. Coolidge, Coolidge, you're gonna tap me? You're gonna tap me? You're gonna tap me? Tapped. Alright. Yeah. On a 50K, I think that is a good day to end. I definitely like the scalpies, and I think I'm gonna call it. So if you guys are gonna use any accounts from top one to Tradeify, to Take Profit, to Trade Day, to Lucid, to Alpha, to Apex, make sure to use code PHUB. If you guys are interested in the premium, make sure to go to the Upgrade Here channel. There you get daily breakdowns. Damn, it tapped me out and went. You're going to get daily breakdowns every single day. You're going to get classes. You're going to get the group coaching. You're going to get the indicator. And you're going to get your testes tickled. And if that interests you, make sure to join the premium. If not, stream is free because we love you guys. And that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys tomorrow, and we'll let you know if Ace is going to be back to continue the challenge. If not, I'm going to be here, and we're going to print again like today. Make sure to engage with the socials. Peace.